What's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to share a slightly different strategy, and that is how you can flip carpet tools for profits. So here we got all our basic tools. This is a Home Depot page right here, but what we're going to do is actually stop by Alibaba.com. Now, if you're in the business, you already know what carpet installation tools are going for, and most carpet tools come from this site right here, and then companies like Roberts and Crane have them rebranded under their name, shipped here, and then sold to the end consumer. So all you would have to do is search out here on Alibaba, put in carpet knives, carpet installation tools, flooring tools, do a search and find out who the manufacturers are, and you can come across companies like this. I don't know why this came through so massive, but it did. So here we have like different carpet knives, and this is what I would recommend starting with. So like we have the cheap hook knife there. You can get them for as little as $1.10 a piece. Regular carpet knife on the left here, $2 a piece. What we got here, the linoleum knife, $2.24. That's not a great deal on that one, but still a deal. And here's the thing about Alibaba, you could actually negotiate deals on these as well. So what I would do is search them out. Like this one here, this is a knife that sells for, I believe, $12 at Home Depot. You can buy them for $1.76 if you buy in quantity. Now, my recommendation is you buy some carpet knives, you buy some hook knives, and maybe a hand scraper, and you bundle them together. And then to get your feel for it, you stop over at eBay. And you could start listing the bundles on here. So let's say you're all in for $8, try selling it for $25, and get an automated system going on where you're just shipping out these carpet tools to the end consumer. You're buying in volume and turning for profits, working from home. So a nice different side hustle than going out killing yourself doing the actual installations. So another thing you can do when you invest in these, you could go to Craigslist. So what I would do, go to Craigslist, put your bundle together. You'd be in the tools section here, and then you can just go ahead and list them in here and see if you get any bites. Now, what you may be thinking is you don't want to go out and spend $1,000 just to test the market, because you got to buy all these in volume, and you're probably going to spend $1,000 to $1,500. So here is my recommendation if you wanted to tap into this. Go to like Home Depot. Now, you are going to lose some money on this, but it's worth it to get proof of concept. And let's say you buy this guy here, you buy this hook knife, and like I said, maybe a set of gloves or a hand scraper, something to make a nice, neat bundle. And you may spend, $20 on that, but just turn around and list that same package on eBay for, $20, $25. And like I said, you might lose a few dollars doing it, but if it sells fast and it sells again and again, you have something there, and it would be worth making the investment. Now, another thing I want to show you guys, just because I pulled this up as a price comparison, you could actually jump on this. When I was doing tool research for this video, check this out over here. $21.22 for a seam iron. Now, even by Harbor Freight standards, that's an absolute steal. So what if you went in here, you beat me to it, I'm going to bust out my credit card right after this video, but you bought all these, and let's say it's just 10 of those. We all know you could sell these for $50 a pop all day long, so that's a come up right there. You buy 10 of them, 50 of them, whatever you can get your hands on, and double your money by listing them on Craigslist. Now, like I said, that's a kind of a fluke thing right there, but was 84, buy for 21. If you sell for 50, guys will line up for that all day. So also just search for deals online at the, here in the States already. You don't have to actually import. So that is my quick tip of the day. Try flipping, let's get rid of this guy. You can't help me with nothing, dude. Try flipping carpet tools for profits, in conjunction with you already doing installs and selling the services there. So for more tips and tricks like this, be sure to subscribe. Go ahead and ask questions below. If you have any questions on the topic, I'd be happy to create additional videos on this. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.